Hi, I'm John, and welcome back to Dice Paper Miniatures. In today's episode, we're going to look at the new Battlezone Fronteris that's going for pre-order this coming Saturday, April 2nd. And the question is this new terrain set really worth it? Let's find out. So to begin with, yeah, the new Battlezone Fronteris, Nachmund, is actually really cool. But the question is it worth it? So here we have the new set featured here. This is again from the pre-order article from the Warhammer community earlier this week. But as the date grows closer, I've been really on the fence about, do I want to pick this up? It's definitely really cool. So according to the description here, this massive terrain box crams in 2 STC hab bunkers, 6 stockades, 2 stockades with doors, a landing pad, and a Vox antenna, an Auspex shrine, and 2 Battlezone Fronteris Battlefield gaming boards. Whether you're looking to start a new terrain collection or add to an existing one, this kit is ideal. Might be ideal, but is it a deal? So, in the other part of this article from the other day, the new Arena of Shades for Age of Sigmar, I talked about how that was a really great value. You can check that video out here. But for this one, I can't say the same. So I just learned about the price of this new set. And in the past, something like this would have been, I believe, around the 150 price point. And of course, older ones even closer to 100. But it's been a while since I bought an actual dedicated 40K terrain set, so I was kind of curious if I was going to pick this up or not. But when I saw that this is going for 220 USD, I'm not entirely sure. So here's a close-up of the image. It does come with 2 boards. That's cool. Looks like they're double-sided. And these are all the terrain pieces. I just put out the list, but these are, what they look like. Yeah, it's cool. It appears modular. Here's a close-up of just the bunker itself. The STC hab bunker and the stockades. Yeah, okay. And then there's this landing pad. I will admit, though, what is interesting, maybe as a whole, you don't want to pay the 220 to get the whole set, but maybe you kind of want to get some things a la carte. But in this case, it looks like you can get some of these components individually. So it says you can also get the kits from the box separately. First up is the STC hab bunker and the stockades kit. This bunker acts as an ideal headquarters for a stronghold, while the new stockades can be assembled in multiple ways to create a perimeter that any enemy will struggle to break through. All right. And then we have the landing pad. Continue your expansion into new worlds with the landing pad. It's the source of transportation for a Fronteris base, helping to maintain the flow of supplies and reinforcements to the sharp edge of the Imperium. All right. And then we have the Vox antenna and Auspex shrine. These large structures act as vital communication nodes and make great objectives to defend or destroy in your games. Yeah, again, I can't deny the look of these pieces are really cool. And then they also have the boards separately. So we go on. Set your games in an arid frontier setting with these moody new gaming boards. When put together, they make a battlefield that's the perfect size for a 1,000-point game of Warhammer 40K. With more sets, you can create the sprawling battlefield of your dreams. I get why they do the boards, but in today's world, it really seems like neoprene mats, there's a good argument to have for those, are a way to go. Now, granted, these pack and ship better. I understand. But for the money, it seems like you're getting into that price point of neoprene mats, not cardboard. But again, great designs. These will be perfect for 40K, obviously. I prefer Kill Team lately, so I think these could, be some good options for Kill Team as well. But again, the expansions themselves come with nice terrain, so you may not even need them. But if they do sell the antenna and the Auspex shrine separately, that might be worth considering getting an extra one or two of those. They're just cool looking pieces that really add character to your battlefield, I think, and help kind of break up line of sight, which is never a bad thing, especially in something like Kill Team. But yeah, I keep coming back to that 220 price point. I just don't know. So that's it for this one. Kind of short, but I wanted to talk about it because personally, I've been on the fence about this particular set. But once I found out the price point today, it didn't help. Let's put it that way. It didn't help me decide if I want to pull the trigger on this one or not. And if you haven't yet, and you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it. It really helps with the growth of the channel, and it's greatly appreciated. And as always, I hope you're doing well, be safe, take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.